Hey guys, this is Mike from SourcingXPro. Do you buy product from one CTA or Alibaba or different factory in China? Here is a big problem. You buy 10 times from 10 different suppliers. If you ship them one by one, you will pay basic shipping fee 10 times. That is very expensive. Also, maybe supplier A sent you the wrong color and supplier B sent you a broken box. You won't know until it arrives in your country. Today, I will show you the solution, China Consolidation Service. I will explain how it works, how much it costs, and how it saves your business. Part 2. What is the Consolidation Service? So what is the consolidation? Imagine you have a friend in China. You can ask all the suppliers to send goods to your friend's warehouse. Your friend collects them, and your friend plus everything into one big box or one big container, and then send it in one shipment to you. This is exactly what we do. We provide a warehousing address for you supplier to deliver and combine all the supplier in one box or one container. And we will also help you to make the document and make the customer clearance if you need. Why is this better? The biggest reason are two. One is save money. Shipping 120 kg, 21 kg is box. And you also save a lot of document fees and customer clearance fees. Number two, save headaches. You only deal with one tracking number and one bill laden and one customer invoice, not 10. Part 3, the 4th step, how we did it. How does the process work? It is very simple. Here are 4 steps. Step 1, collection. We will give you our Shenzhen warehouse address, and you can tell your supplier to send goods here, and we charge you a very small fee to receive your inventory. Step 2, inspection. This is the most important part. When the box arrives, we will open it. Why? Sometimes supplier will send an empty box or the wrong quantity. Sometimes they are dangerous items and forbidden to shipping. We check the quantity and the quality. If it is broken, we will return to the factory immediately. Well, it is still in China. Step 3, repacking. Repacking it. Suppliers often use a bad or weak box. We can throw away the useless box and repack it into one strong export carton. We can even combine 5 different parts into one kit for you to selling directly. Step 4, shipping. We compare the price for you, sea shipping, air shipping, or training. We find the best rate and ship it to you, to your warehouse or to your door. And we will also can help you to handle the export license and the customer clearance. Part 5, who need it and the cost. Who is this service for? If you only buy from one supplier, you do not need this. Your supplier can handle and ship it to you directly. And also, if you have your shipping agent and you only have 2 or 3 suppliers, you do not need it. But if you have 3 or more suppliers, you need one consolidation service. It is expensive? No, the biggest fee is usually around $25 for 10 packages from 10 different suppliers. And if you need detailed inspection, it might be a little more, but compared to the shipping costs we save, the service fee is almost free. And if you want to ship one bulk order to one container, FCL or SCL, contact us to know exact code. There are more 2 situations you may need the China Consolidation Service. Number 1 is the VAT or tax refund problem. Also, many small Chinese suppliers cannot help you with the export paperwork, and to get the VAT or tax refund, they charge you a higher price, including the tax. You lose money. And we will help you the official export declaration, so you can save the tax money back. Number 2, the higher risk products problem. Are you buying the sensitive items or replacement for a bigger brand, like the car accessories? Customer might stop your package because they don't trust the small supply paperwork and they don't know how to make the custom clearance. Our inspection and export process manage this risk for you. Your shipment will pass customer smoothly. Stop wasting money or shipping empty air or separate box, or repeat to pay the document fee. If you want to use our Shenzhen warehouse and the China Consolidation Service, we can be your warehouse and your office in China. Don't forget to subscribe us. Click the link below and to get our sourcing tips. See you in our next video.